This is my 10th experiment in case 2 lab. It is about drawing a deployment diagram for the railway reservation system. What is a deployment diagram? A deployment diagram or another model of the implementation diagram category. The deployment diagram models the hardware used in implementing a system and the association between those hardware components. Components can also be shown or on a deployment diagram to show the location of the deployment. Deployment diagrams can also be used early on in the design phase to document the physical architecture of a system. A component, what is a component in the deployment diagram? Is a component represents a software entity in a system. Example include source code, files, programs, documents, and resource files. On a deployment diagram, components are placed within nodes to identify their deployed location. A component is represented using a rectangular box with two rectangles producing from left. A node. A node represents a piece of hardware in the system. This entity is represented by a three-dimensional cube. Then association. An association drawn as a solid line between two nodes, indicating a line of communication between the hardware elements. Scenario is a deployment diagram. This is my deployment diagram for the application. This is my deployment diagram. Then I given the passenger one and the railway reservation and the web server. It is connected to the application server and the database server. Three passengers are given with the different PCs and the printer is given. Thank you for watching.